What's up, fellas? This is your boy Hawk Yodi here. Welcome back to the channel. I know I haven't posted in a minute. I was just going through some stuff, so all that's settled and done with now. So we about to get started. So we're about to do something different today, and I'm about to show you what we're about to do. And I'm just now getting off work. It's now 3:50 p.m. Still sun out. We got a couple more hours, and I'm about to put a nice exhaust on. I actually never heard anybody with the brand. It's not a really good brand, honestly. That's probably why you don't hear too much of it. But it's an MRTP or something like that. But I got it at the house. I gotta go pick it up, and then we're gonna head to the shop and go check out my boy Julian, and he's gonna throw them on for me. And actually, we're also gonna meet one of my best friends, like my brother since I've been like 10 years old, and he also has a Coyote. It's a Gen 2 2017, and we're gonna check that out too. So gonna bring him to the channel. He also has his own YouTube, and I'm gonna put it up right here. And yeah, that's basically it. So I'm gonna head home right now and go get those mufflers so we can go to the shop and see what we can do from there. So I am running a bit late, and I have my boy with me. As you see, the white Coyote Sub-Zero, and you're gonna have to subscribe to him too. We just gonna head there now. On in, but I was in fourth gear. See my boy there, just, you know, just cruising. We just trying to head to the shop. So I'll see y'all when I get there. Well, this is definitely going to be one of the last sound clips you hear, you know, because it's not about to sound like this anymore. What's up, Julian?
What's up, bro?
Check it out. Well, here we go. We about to start the process.
I like that one guy who was in the captain, and I said I would have shit on first. 30 games. Let's get this exhibition in the air.
We got the MBRP Axleblacks. Like I said, I'm not too sure what they sound like, but we're gonna find out. And also, what we got is the GT500 mufflers. All right, guys, we got one MBRP. Looks pretty good, and it's not sticking out at all. It's perfect fitment. Oh, my boy's hooking me up. As you see, he's doing the little welds right now. What'd you think about that, homie?
I don't know, I was zoned out. I was gone.
Where's the Yodi at?
Over there, another parking lot, you can't see it.
I don't know why you parked over there and didn't park right here.
When I pulled up here, this one was packed.
It was packed.
You think I saw that driving? I said no.
There's always a spot in here, homie.
I'm gonna go park on the other side. I parked it with everybody, so I'm like,
Yeah. Yo, my boy Julian, he does it all, man. He does everything. We actually have a supercharged jet ski over here, bro. This thing is disgusting. Look at this. Man. I don't know what he's working on, but doing something, bro. Yeah. And there she goes. She's dropping down. She's all done and finished and welded up. So we about to see how this sounds. And I'm pretty sure it's going to be a different sound. Not like my Coyotes. Ooh, that sounds amazing. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. She sounds absolutely amazing. Now we about to see what she really sounds like on a high RPM. It's all good. That thing sounds great.
Yeah, way back, dude. It sounded fucking nice. Fuck yeah, man.
Appreciate it, bro.
No problem, dude.
So, if you go check out my boy, Julian from Bargain Brakes, yo. He'll do anything. He'll do mufflers. He'll do springs. He works on motors, man. You name it, he does it. And as you see, she sounds great. So we about to head out and go for a mini cruise and see what she sounds like on the road, because I'm telling you, she screams.